Lamb tagine with plums and almonds. A royal sweet and savory tagine. An ideal dish for holidays and special occasions. A wonderful blend of sweet and savory flavors. Main ingredients: 1 kilogram lamb or beef cut into cubes, 300 to 400 gram pitted prunes, 100 to 150 gram toasted almonds, 2 chopped onions, spices, cinnamon, ginger, saffron, sugar, approx. 2 tablespoons. Honey, 1 to 2 tablespoons. Orange blossom water, optional. Quick preparation. 1. Brown the lamb with the onions and spices until fully cooked. 2. Add water and simmer for 2 hours until the lamb is tender. 3. In a separate pan, heat the prunes with the sugar, honey, and cinnamon until caramelized. 4. Finally, add all the ingredients to the tagine and garnish with toasted almonds. A perfect dish for holidays and special occasions, combining sweet and savory flavors. 5. Serve with bread, or even on its own. Undoubtedly delicious.